Howdy folks, and welcome back to Pool School. I got a quick question for you. Can your pool pole do this? Well, if you have a ProTuff pool pole like this one, you can, because the ProTuff pool pole comes with an attachment just like this. It's a threaded end that has a quick clip on it, which goes right in the end that your typical pool attachment would go into. You pinch those things together, it pops in place, and now you have an extension pole to use for things like painting or cleaning solar panels or reaching second-story windows to clean those as well. This thing takes your pool pole and turns it into an extension pole that can be used for lots of things where you can't reach without a ladder or something like that. So now you have one pole that can actually serve all these needs, and you don't have to buy a bunch of other extension poles and things like that. So one pole and you're done. I've used this to wash second-story windows at my friend's house. I don't have a two-story house. I've used it to wash my solar panels on my roof because they're hard to reach and I can't really walk across those solar panels. I've also used it to paint my ceiling, as you saw earlier in this video. So this is a win-win-win when it comes to a pool pole. So check it out. Make sure you take advantage of the lifetime warranty and this innovative feature.